Have you ever gone and logged into Windows only to be greeted with this error? And then shortly thereafter realize that if you click close, all it does is really load you with a temporary profile? I'm going to show you how to fix this today. To start with, right click on Start and choose Run. In the Run dialog box, enter in regedit. It's regedit and click on OK to open up the registry editor. You may be prompted for the UAC permissions. If so, click on Yes. Once Registry Editor opens, you're going to navigate to HKey, Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows NT, Current Version, Profile List. Let's navigate there now. HKey, Local Machine, Software, Microsoft. We'll scroll down till we find Windows NT. Windows NT, current version, and then once again scroll down until we find Profile List. Once you have Profile List selected, you should notice that you have your profile listed twice. If you don't know which one your profile is, it'll be the one with the .bak extension on the end that matches the exact same one as the one above it. In other words, you'll see one that has the no .bak that shows the profile image path of being C user's temp, and you'll see one with .bak, which has the correct profile image path to whatever your username is listed under the user's directory. Now keep in mind that if you have already used the temporary profile, thinking that this was your profile or that your profile was totally gone and you found this video after the fact, the profile path should still exist on your local system as C user's temp. Meaning that if we go into the user's directory and we search for it under C users temp, this is the location of the temp profile that was created, or the temporary profile. So if you have any files that you accidentally copied or you migrated or whatever else, they should all be located under this temp location. And then once you go into here, you should be able to grab whatever you copied and copy it back into whatever your current profile is so you don't lose the data. Once you're in the registry, all you really need to do here is right click on this particular key and choose delete. Say yes. And then where you see the one with the .bak, we'll right click again, choose rename, and delete the .bak off the end of it. Now at this point, reboot your system and your system should load its original profile. Let's do that now. So we'll right click on Start, choose Shut Down and Sign Out, and choose Restart. We're going to load back into our profile. And there we go. We're back in our original profile. Now we're not using the temp one any longer, meaning that we still have access, however, to the temp location. Should we ever need to copy the actual data back over, we could go back into C, users, and there's the temp location. We could grab anything that located off the desktop to move it back if you made that mistake and didn't find this video first. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I know it was quick, but this is a relatively common issue on Windows. So let me down in the comments if you have any issues with this, but this should work on everything, including RDS server. All right, guys, thanks for watching.